Hey, hi, welcome to Devops Yogi. So today we are going to discuss about the Terraform. So what actually this Terraform? This Terraform came into the market and did many changes, and every customer is using the Terraform only, and every project and adapting the Terraform method, and they are integrating with the Terraform. So what exactly this Terraform is doing? So many people are not aware about this Terraform still. Most of the people still learning. Okay, so this is very important to learn the Terraform. So in this video I'm going to give you the overview of the Terraform, why it is came, and what is the use of what is a big use case of this Terraform in the industry. So let's talk about the data center. So data center, previously every customer use it to use the data center. Okay, like this. These are the data centers. So inside these data centers there are servers. What is the data center? The collecting of these servers, firewalls, databases, and router switches at one point, and make them communication. And we are hosting something, our data over there, our framework over there, and that is able to communicate outside of the internet, external network, where the end user can use it, where the end user can access your data. So that is a data center. So inside the data, so the collection of the, or you can say a set of assembling the all physical components and making them a communication to communicate each other, one device to another device, and we are setting up a working workflow between them. Okay, so that is a data center. So the customer need to create one more server, so he need to take a 1 or 2 days of time to create one server. So you need to hire a skilled engineer. Okay, the skilled engineer have a off knowledge, then he need to be put more time on it. So it will be usually take a 3 days of time to create a one server. He's going to take a 3 days of time. Okay, so this is the maintenance of the data center. So this, the maintenance is a very headache to the customer, so that's why cloud came into the market. So there are many cloud service providers, so like AWS, okay, Azure, and GCP. These three clouds are top in the market right now. So what this cloud service providers is telling? So we have a bunch of data centers over the world, and you can log into our console and you can create your server on our database. I means it is nothing but you can create your infrastructure on our data centers. So what is that console? So all over the world, so there are data centers like this, the many data centers. Okay. So every country is having a region, so every cloud. So all the clouds are connected at one point, and every data center is also interconnected. So this one point is called as a console. So where we are logging and doing our changes, where we are giving our instruction to how to create a server. So this is the console, right? Okay, fine. For example, if we take an AWS cloud, okay. So let me take an AWS cloud. So this is an AWS cloud. Okay, so this is an AWS cloud. So this AWS cloud is giving a base to us that you can create a server here, whatever you want you can create here, and you can build your infrastructure here. Okay, let's say a simple language. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm creating a one server here. Okay, fine. And I'm going to create a two-tier architecture or anything regarding to my project. Okay, so my project is having a servers, okay, like this, and also a load balancer, okay, and a databases. So like this. So in my cloud there are many resources I have. Okay, so I have created other services also like this. Okay, lambda functions and all. Yeah, I have created all this. So next day, my client required and or is asking that create one more server or create a three servers like this. Okay, create a three more servers like this. Okay, so to engineer to create that, engineer need a time to create a three servers, at least a 20 minutes of time. Okay, 20 minutes of time. So in multiple region, the client is present in a multiple regions. So how he can create in multiple regions? Like let's say he need to create 60 servers. Okay, he want client asked the engineer to create a 60 servers in two different regions. So how much time are you going to take? It's going to take 1 day of time or 2 days of time. Even it is the cloud, and there is a time consumption for the engineer. Okay, so here we are doing manually in the console. Here we are doing a manually. So what is a way to automate it? So that's why Terraform came. Okay, so this is a Terraform. That's why Terraform came. So what is this Terraform? Terraform is built by Ashika. Okay, and it is the Terraform is using a script. That script is writing in the HCL language. Okay, HCL language, and extensions are all are .tf. The script we are using is .tf extensions with the HCL language. So what this Terraform will actually do? So Terraform will do workstation management and provisioning. Okay, so when you write any script here, so it will authenticate with your cloud, which is nothing but Terraform is having a multiple authentication providers. Means it can support the providers. Who are the providers like AWS, Azure, GCP, like that. So how many providers Terraform will support? 130 providers Terraform will support. Okay, in 130 providers you can automate your work by writing a Terraform script, or you can say Terraform code. That's why this Terraform also is called IAC tool. IAC tool, infrastructure configuration. Okay, so infrastructure as a configuration tool. So this is the tool can automate many things, that it will going to reduce you a lot of time which you are doing a manual in the AWS cloud or Azure cloud or GCP cloud, whatever the cloud here it is. Okay, so this is a Terraform. So once you specify your script, how to create a server and how many servers you would like to create. For example, I want to create a 5 servers. You can use a same script. Okay, you can use a same script, but you can just add a slight changes here, and you want to create a 5 servers, like you can give a count here. So 5 servers, when you run this, it will be going to create automatically in your cloud 5 servers. See, it is very simple, right? It is automated, fully automated. And so inside this server, it's not only for the creation of this server. Inside this server, you want to run something. You want to run an Apache, a Tomcat, or you want to run some HTTPD web server. Okay, so you can also write this configuration inside the script, and it will also going to execute here. It will make ready your server to access on the internet. The only thing you need to write here, that how in which area, means in which region. Okay, and what are the configuration my server need, I need to write in the Terraform script. That's it. Once you execute this script, it will be going to create, and this script you can use in a multiple regions also. So this is the advantage of the Terraform. So fully automated. So that's why many customers in the market are adopting this tool, Terraform, and they are using this this tool method to their I mean they develop their project, okay, and automate their project. So that's why who are DevOps aspirants, means who are want to learn the DevOps and they want to make the career in the DevOps side, they must know about the Terraform tool. So Terraform is a key skill in the DevOps market right now. So by our course, you'll be going to full fledged Terraform. So you'll be going to learn here real time scenarios only. Okay. So we'll meet you in the next uh, class regarding Terraform, how we can install in our laptops and how we can configure it and how we can uh, write a script. So what is the script it will be using? As I said, that .tf. Okay, so you can see, so terraform.io. You just terraform.io search in the web. So it will be give you, see, automate infrastructure on any cloud. Okay, see, this is how this Terraform will be work. So this is the Terraform tool, and you are just deploying on the any of the cloud, and that can be built on the cloud. Okay, infrastructure as a code, multi-cloud deployment. This script you can execute in the three different clouds. Okay, that is multi-cloud deployment and manage Kubernetes. So directly you can manage directly from the Terraform, no need of any other tools in between the Kubernetes and your source code. So you can directly do the actions, and directly you can do the management with the Kubernetes. Okay, network infrastructure, manage virtual machine images and integrate existing workflows. Okay, enforce policy as a code and inject secrets into the Terraform. So these are the main key components inside this Terraform. So we need to learn about this, and then only we can show up our skill in the Terraform in the market. So if you have a Terraform skill, your resume is weighted, okay, and you'll get a good growth. Okay, just go and visit this site, and we are also discussing about the more modules, like more about the Terraform. So how it is, what are the real time use cases in the industry. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.